how you can remove the pins and the links to size it just right for your wrist. But it holds it in place, and I have already lined it up here, so it's right in the pin, I think. I have to wear reading glasses, and I really think I need a stronger lenses here. I think it's in there. So anyway, once you've got it lined up with the pin, then you just keep turning it, and then you're going to see it come out the other side here. Let's hope. Oh yeah, there it is. You see, there it is. Okay, so now I'm just going to do this. Take it all the way out. Okay, so there we go. So that's how you remove a pin. You would need to remove another pin in the very same way, and then you would link it back together. So let's just pretend that I removed this one, and now you would just link it together, line it up, and there you go. It doesn't go all the way in, so you would take this part to just hit it a few times to get it in there. Tap it. And now it's in. So that's how it's done. You can remove as many links as you need to, and then you just reattach, put the pin back, and that's it. I hope that helps.